Welcome to Cursive Lesson 46. We're going to be working on the high frequency words of use and there. So always make sure you start with your heading first. Put your name, number, date. Our directions say trace each word and use the dots provided to practice writing each word. Okay, so we're going to start with use. Go on the starting dot. We're going to slant up to the middle, retrace back down, touch the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down, slant up to the middle. We're going to make a point, curve around, make a belly, touch that first line, retrace. Now we're going to slant up to the middle. We're going to loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, slant up, retrace back down, slant up, retrace back down, slant up, make a point, curve down, make a belly, touch, retrace, slant up, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. So starting dot, we're going to slant up, retrace back down, slant up, retrace back down, slant up, make a point, curve around, touch, retrace, slant up, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to slant up, retrace back down, slant up, retrace back down, slant up, make a point, curve around, make a belly, touch, retrace, slant up, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, slant up, retrace back down, slant up, retrace back down, slant up, make a point, curve around, touch, retrace, touch, slant up, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, slant up, retrace back down, slant up, retrace back down, slant up, make a point, curve around, touch, retrace, slant up, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Okay, now we're going to do the word use with a capital U. Starting at the top, we're going to curve down, touch the bottom, all the way up to the top, retrace back down to the bottom, slant up, make a point, curve around, make a belly, touch, retrace, slant up to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to curve down to the bottom, touch the bottom, back up to the top, retrace, back down, touch the bottom, slant up to the middle, make a point, curve around, make a belly, touch, retrace, slant up to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to curve down, touch the bottom, all the way back up to the top, retrace down, slant up to the middle, make a point, curve, touch, retrace, slant to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to curve around, touch the bottom, all the way back up to the top, retrace back down to the bottom, slant up to the middle, make a point, curve, make a belly, touch, retrace, curve up to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to curve down, touch the bottom, go all the way back up to the top, retrace back down, slant up, make a point, curve around, touch, retrace to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to curve around, touch the bottom, back up to the top, retrace back down, slant to the middle, make a point, curve around, touch, retrace, slant to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Okay, next we have the word there. So we're going to cross our T when we're done with the word. Starting dot, we're going to slant up, not all the way to the top though. Retrace back down to the bottom, slant all the way to the top, loop back, all the way to the bottom, retrace up to the middle, down to the bottom, slant up to the middle, loop around to the bottom, up, slant down, touch the bottom, slant up to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail, then make sure you go back and cross your T. Starting dot, slant up, halfway, retrace back down, slant all the way to the top, loop back, down to the bottom, retrace, up to the middle, down to the bottom, up to the middle, loop back, down to the bottom, up to the middle, slant, up to the middle, loop back, down to the bottom, and tail. And then cross your T. Okay, starting dot, I'm going to slant up to the halfway to the top, retrace back down to the bottom, slant all the way up to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, retrace up to the middle, down to the bottom, slant up to the middle, loop back, slant up to the middle, slant, touch the bottom, slant up to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail, and then go back and cross your T. Starting dot, I'm going to slant up to near the middle, retrace back down, slant up to the top, retrace back down, retrace up, down, to the middle, loop back, slant to the middle, slant, up to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail, and cross your T. Okay, now we're going to start with a capital T. Remember, you can do these in 2 separate steps if you like. I do it in 1 step though, so it's up to you. So I'm going to start on the starting dot, make my little loop, retrace back down all the way to the bottom, slant up to the middle, make a point, go across, slant all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, retrace up, down to the bottom, to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, slant up, slant down, slant to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Okay, starting dot, make a slow loop, curve to the top, retrace back down to the bottom, slant up, make a point, retrace all the way to the top, back, loop back, down to the bottom, retrace, up to the middle, down to the bottom, slant up to the middle, loop back, slant up to the middle, slant up to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Okay, our starting dot, we're going to make our little loop, curve up to the top, retrace back down to the bottom, curve up, make a point, go across the letter, loop up, slant up to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, retrace up to the middle, down to the bottom, up to the middle, loop back, up to the middle, slant, curve up to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to loop down, up to the top, retrace back down, slant up, we're going to go across, loop up to the top, back down, slant up to the middle, back down, loop back to the middle, down, loop up to the middle, back, and make your tail. Alright, so we've done the words use and there. Go ahead and practice more on the back, and thank you for joining me.